It's a homemade mini soldering iron. Yes, it works on 9-volt battery. You can plug in like this. It's simple, and I made this gadget a couple of years ago. In today's video I'm gonna test it and show you how it works and is it good. Let's start. It's a simple invention. If you want to make this, you need this heater. I also add a switch, a LED for indicating that the iron is powered on, and from this side you have 9-volt connector, so you can plug in the battery, press the button, and you can start soldering. The heating element, it's not working. The LED, it's working, but the heating element not. Let's test this heating element. By the way, you can easily remove it like this. And here it is. I found it on AliExpress and it costs $1. It's a USB soldering iron tip, 5 volts, 8 watts. This one not working. So I got a new one. Here it is. And I'm gonna test it. With my homemade digital power supply that is set on 5 volts, I'm gonna test this heating soldering iron tip. Just to plug in. Yep, it's not pulling any amps. This heating element is broken. Alright. Now I'm gonna test it, the new one. I'm gonna hold it with negative probe, and for short time I'm gonna connect the positive and see does it pull current. Yep, this is fine. Oh, it's already hot. Replace it. Let's try it again, but now I'm gonna try it with my digital power supply. This one goes here. This is the positive. Yep, working. Just to increase the amps and to show you how many current is pulling this small heating element at 5 volts. Right now it's pulling 1 amp. Okay. Now I'm gonna try it again. Plug the battery, hold the button, and wait a couple of seconds to reach the temperature for melting the tin. Yep, it's working fine. It's melting the tin, and you can solder with this mini soldering iron. This is not a professional tool, it's a homemade mini soldering iron using a very cheap heating element, but in special cases this can help you because it's portable. You can use a battery and make some soldering. For $1 buying the soldering iron tip, you can make your own mini soldering iron like this one. And my is just to use more powerful switch, because this push switch is not delivering enough current to the heating element. That was all for today's short video. Please give a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!